more and more people are coming, more people are learning. I am so happy to be part of James and One Community
Becoming one community.
Becoming one community, empowering everybody. I just call it one community because we all are just one community. And I'm not being facetious, I'm really being serious.
Yes.
We are one community. If we can't work together, we're going to all fall apart.
That's right. United we stand and divided we will fall.